Paw Airdrop. And on our screen here, we are seeing another task that we want to do now. So, without wasting most of your time, let's go straight to the task. Please, when watching, please always watch to the end because what we are doing here now is going to help you. Welcome to Tech Words. We have a new task here from Paw Airdrop. So, we want to do it quickly. So, when you want to get it, you go to end for those that are new to it, then go to limited, then another one is in a partner. Then let's start with the limited one. You see, follow PAWS YouTube. So they've created a channel. I believe they created it a long time ago. So all these things they keep bringing them. But mind you, PAWS is getting to an end. So all these tasks we are doing in order to increase our balance to match with what the 300,000 PAWS balance they said. But in my own hand, they've cancelled it. But anyway, let's go straight. So what you do now is just a simple task. There's a timer here. Before they always put maybe the number of people they want it. That was the last task we did. The number of people that they wanted to reach out to before the task we go. But now it's not the same. It's not the same thing. So what they do now, they put 3,000 per. It's for they say follow pause TikTok. They've entered TikTok. Another one 3,000 plus. They've entered TikTok and they've entered YouTube, or maybe they are there before. I don't know. So what you will do now is to click on the start. We have 8 hours remaining for it to disappear and 8 hours remaining for it to disappear. So you have to do it very fast. You have to do it. So click on the start. It will take you down to their YouTube page. Wow. So then you have to subscribe. Let's see how many subscribers. One video that is there, one video with 799k subscriber. Oh, they are using us to subscribe to one video. No problem. Let's click on subscribe. Then we have to go back to the pause. This is pause. And they put this one. Let me go back. So go back to the blog, you see claim there. So the same thing you do to the follow TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Let's go. Yeah, it will take you down to their TikTok platform. Okay. There I have 400 and something TikTok. I'll just say follow. Just say follow. Wow, how many video on it? No video yet. And we are then we have to go back. Claim. Okay, when you come over to the partner, so see now, vote for any event, wait for the results collected payout. So what you do now, this one now, the reward now is 4,000. The other reward is 4,000, which is 8,000 plus 6,000. You see now, 8,000 plus 6,000. It's almost 14,000. So what you do in this place, in the other one, see boozy again. You click go. Boozy is I think it's I saw it now. It's an airdrop too. Okay, we are going there now. We'll see. Oh, that is it. That is it. Welcome to boozy start. No more mindless tapping. Okay. Maybe I should do a video concerning this boozy. Ticket your boost power. Okay, boost it. Let's go back. Check. I will now say check. So let's go for the other one, which is showing pending there. The other one just jump us to this thing. Okay, let me enter and say what do I say here? I say yes now. With Paul announce Binance as centralized for this thing. Binance. Would I say yes? Let me say yes to them. Confirm yes. On ticket. Okay. Choose log in. Okay. Let me go back again. I'll say check. It's pending. So we can't wait for it to confirm and to confirm. So just do yours and wait. And you are the owner of your phone. Just do yours and wait. But for the sake of tutorial, it will what check after check and it would come up. So this is how you do pause uh, tasks that they just bring, and 8 hours to the close. So what do you do now? Just join me, watch me again. Link in the description. Please do well to use the link if you are new here. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please also do well to what to hit the subscription button and click everywhere. Thank you. See you in my next video.